Moxy KL Chinatown Hotel. This is our second time staying at a Moxy hotel, but first time in Malaysia. Actually, this hotel was opened recently in the middle of Chinatown. It has a perfect location. It's just 300 meters to Masjid Jamek LRT station. You can walk from here to Chinatown, to Pasar Seni, to Central Market, and also to Dataran Merdeka with the Abdul Samet building. You can have amazing food like beef noodles, Indian food, or if you want Malaysian food. And there are a lot of kish cafes around here. There's a lot to do and see. So we stayed here for 2 nights and we had the amazing time. You will see in our video where we have visited. And this hotel was very comfortable with a really great price and performance ratio. Also a rooftop pool at ninth floor. And we love the breakfast. You can have a Western kind of breakfast or you can have the Asian kind of breakfast, as well as a lot of spaces around the lobby to relax and study or whatever. And when you want to sleep and really take a rest, your room is waiting for you. It's spotless clean, and it's very quiet actually. Although it is in a very central location, we didn't experience a lot of noise here. And the attitude of the crew was really something to die for. They're always smiling, always saying hello when you pass by, and all the little details that have been considered, although it's a huge building, was really amazing, I think. They paid attention to heritage details and they paid attention to little design details that provide a lot of function. And we would say this is a great place to stay when you're in Kuala Lumpur. And this coming from us, who have been here for almost 10 years now. We are coming going through 10 years. So this was one of the best spots I think we had stayed. Actually, we used to live around this neighborhood before, so we really know what a gem this place is. We are staying on the 16th floor. And let's see our room now. Hi, Gukai. So we have a cozy, really functional room with an insane view. Because see, when we lay on the bed, we are gonna see the very popular Merdeka 118 view from our room. And from this window, if you turn to the side, we're gonna see the KL Tower and the Maybank Tower, which is iconic for Kuala Lumpur lovers. They will recognize it. The bed is double bed, but you can opt for a twin bed as well. Moxy is famous for small but functional rooms. So we don't have a cupboard, but see, we have a lot of hangers here. A coffee table and chairs and some luggage racks if you want to take them, or don't. If you don't, you can just put them up on the hanger and you can have all the space to yourself. So the tap is here. We have a safe and a small fridge here, which you can cool your waters and maybe some small snacks. We have the kettle, coffee, tea, the hair dryer, some water, and they provide toothbrush, cotton pads and cotton buds, and a huge mirror. And we have a very spacious bathroom. You can see a triangle shower, which is unusual. And here is the toilet. So we love the decor already.
There's a very nice shelf there. You can put your
I didn't recognize that. So see, also there is a plug right next to you, which is always a debate between us. You know, who's going to sleep next to the plug is an issue. Couples will know that. The rooms are really functional, and if you want to sit, you can have a chair from the room, just from the wall. And you can open it here, right next to the other lounge here. And we even have a coffee table, as you can see, and time for coffee. And this is the 9th floor, bar and pool area. of space that you can chill. Really nice view. And a relaxing pool is here. You know, Kuala Lumpur is famous with its really nice buildings with great views and pools. Here we are at the pool at the 9th floor. So KL Moxy Chinatown has a pool and a bar. And now we're going to swim and enjoy the KL Tower view from the pool. And at night we're going to come back to Bar Moxy to enjoy our dinner and some drinks. So in Moxy hotels, you have a laundry room that you can use with coin laundry, and the iron is free. So this room is very useful if you're staying a long time. So it's on the 8th floor. Coin laundry is here if you need to wash your clothes, and the iron boards, also the steam irons, are here that you can use. And this is the reception. It's actually a playground. We played the arcade games, we played some board games, and we played some games that we didn't even know about. And then there is a coffee station and also a bar here and a grab and go station. A very beautiful, massive place that you can work, play, study, or whatever, you know, like chill and relax. So we're gonna show you around now. A lot of games in the lobby, and Gyokai is already into the games of arcade because he's ancient, you know. A lot of places to work, relax, have coffee, chill, and write some love letters since it's Valentine's. Go, compliment, advice there. Good morning. So we're having breakfast at the Moxy Chinatown this morning. This is our last day, and I wanted to tell you about Nasi Lemak. Maybe you heard about it. It's the national dish of Malaysia, and it's popular during breakfast anytime actually. So you get the white rice, and you have the cucumbers, you have the egg, the dried fish, which is really delicious. At first we had this hardly, but now we can give it up. And the peanuts, and the very famous, what makes it all worthy is the very spicy sambal, sweet and spicy sambal. Hello from the ninth floor of Moxy Chinatown. So this is the Moxy bar, which is really recently opened, and now we're going to try the food and drinks here, and we're hoping to get a marvelous view of the KL skyline. Well, part of it, because KL has an awesome skyline, but we see the KL Tower and a bank building here. And the menu is brief but simple yet elegant. They have the pizzas, koftas, salads, and ice cream and dessert of the day. Also, they have really nice sodas and beer at the moment. So maybe you can catch the happy hour, or you can come here and drink the very colorful sodas that they prepare themselves. What else?
They're also open in the morning, and you can just beat the crowds and come here because it's very quiet and peaceful.
And also breezy, and they also have coffee and tea, and I think some pastries as well.
And I think same menu applies in the noon as well.
Yeah, they're open until midnight, I think, from 11 a.m. to midnight. Our food has arrived, and we are very happy with the kofta and gada gada salad. The view has started to change, and now we will dig in and wait for our pizza.